Hi Libra, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading, guys. This may or may not resonate. If it doesn't, check out your other placements. We're going to have a look at this person's feelings, intentions, and their actions towards you from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021. Don't get stuck up on the feelings and intentions because they keep fluctuating, which is why I'm doing the actions so you can get something more concrete. All right. If you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. You can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Okay. So this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see what are this person's feelings towards Libra from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021. What are this person's feelings towards Libra from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021? Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. So overall, I do feel either you are already married to this person. If you're not married to this person, then this person definitely wants to marry you. Okay, they're thinking overall of they want commitment with you. They want some kind of stability and security with you. For the ones who have broken up, this person wants a brand new beginning with you in love. Okay, but yes, with the Ace of Wands here, this is not something very practical. This is more of something more passionate. So they want to start from scratch with you. You may feel that this person does not love you, but this person does love you to the moon and back here. But this person here just feels it's more wise to hold on to their emotions. They know that it does not make a lot of sense to open up to you and let you know what they really, really feel. But yes, with the heartbreak and the separation that's happened out here, this person's pretty hurt. There could be a third party situation between you both. A third party situation does not always mean that there is a romantic person, another third romantic connection out here. It also means that there could be another third situation that is coming between you both externally. This could be career, this could be family, this could be a thought pattern, this could be an approach, this could be an attitude, anything. Okay, but this person is really, really hurt right now. All right, although they love you very, very much, although they do want a brand new beginning with you, let me tell you, this person has still not healed. They're still holding on to a lot of negativity, a lot of negative thoughts, or probably they haven't healed from the past. Okay, so this person right now is not in the right space of mind, which is why they're staying away from you. But deep down, they do want a new beginning with you and they love you very much. Let's see. What are this person's intentions towards Libra? This person's intentions towards Libra from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021. 1, 2. Okay. Now, in their intentions here, I feel that something has happened here between you both, right? We already know that you've had a heartbreak out here. This person has had a change of mind. So for a lot of you, if you feel that this person here was someone who was ignoring you, or someone here, who was not interested in you, now all of a sudden, it is in their intentions to give you something that is fair, to give you something that you deserve. They want to make a very firm, a very stern decision where things are balanced, and it's more like this person has got their karmic justice and they want to give you the justice that you deserve. With the Knight of Wands here, this person here has all the intentions to come in towards you and rush in towards you. This person here could be at a distance from you. If they're not at a distance from you, this person here wants to either travel towards you or they want to travel with you. Again, there's a lot of passion out here, Libra. So for a lot of you, even if this person, like I said, this person does have a lot of love for you, but the kind of approach that they're making to the situation is more passionate. Okay, which doesn't mean that they don't have emotions for you. The Justice card card here is telling me that if this person is in probably another marriage, then they probably want to get rid of that marriage, or they want to probably divorce the person or cut cords with that person here in order to come towards you. If you are married with this person here, then this person here wants to make a fair decision. Like I said, there has been a tower moment between you both here. Things have been shaken up completely from the core. This person has had a huge realization and now they want to rebuild this connection with you. All right. But with the 10 of Swords here in their intentions here, they are absolutely over exhausted, overthinking. This ending that has happened between you both here has mentally hit them very, very badly. Okay, so they're hitting rock bottom out here, and there could also be chances that this person here is probably just hosting their own pity party. All right, they could have been responsible for the breakup here, but they keep crying over spilt milk and they keep trying to curse the destiny for whatever went wrong, but actually they could have been someone who's responsible for this. All right. For a lot of you, I feel this person could already be married to someone else, or you could be married, or if commitment was an issue here, this person wants to come towards you wanting to make things fair, think more logically about this decision, and probably even they're more focused and inclined towards commitment. What are this person's actions towards Libra? What are this person's actions towards Libra? This person may also be very, very troubled with a lot of responsibilities here is what I'm getting. They want to reach out. They want something new with you. Okay, very passionate and energy here. But yes, at the same time, it's a very in and out energy. So if you're expecting something very, very serious, it may not happen overnight. All right. First, this person wants to come back and reignite the spark between you both here. They want to make things fair here. But again, there could be either a lot of responsibilities that this person is going through, because of which this person feels a burden. They're at the end of the cycle. As soon as they can end that cycle, they will come towards you. But right now, there could be a lot on their plate, all right? Or they could just be emotionally very overwhelmed. For some of you, I feel that this person could also feel that this relationship is a very big stress. This relationship could be too much work for them, all right? What action does this person want to take towards Libra from the 18th to the 30th of November, 2021? What action will this person take towards Libra, 18th to 30th November, 2021? 1, 2. All right. So they do want an emotional cycle. We have two aces out here, which means that this is either a new person out here. Okay. If this is not a new person here, this is someone here who probably wants a definite brand new beginning with you. All right. They do. And probably the brand new beginning is coming here. Overall, in their actions here, they're emotionally very, very overwhelmed when it comes to you. So if you guys are broken up, they want to reignite the passion and the emotions. They want to start an emotional cycle with you, an emotional new beginning with you here. This person here is kind of manifesting you. Okay, now they're ready to put in the work, but they're very logically, very sensibly, very cleverly, practically trying to manifest a new opportunity and wanting a new beginning with you here. However, I don't see them taking any concrete action towards you, okay, in the action scenario here. With the star and the 4 of swords here, I feel that this person here is still trying to think a lot. They're trying to analyze. They're trying to think a lot about the situation. They probably want to get out of that silent mode and come towards you here. But with the star here, hope and faith and being optimistic is one of their biggest decisions of taking action. Okay, that is the only action that they're taking, which means there's a lot of manifestation here, but there's no practical action being taken as yet. They are manifesting you, ready to put in the work, but I don't feel they are putting the work here, no matter how badly they want a new beginning with you. And one of the reasons I see is because this person is too guarded. Either they've had a bad past because of which they're very careful, they don't trust people in love, or they're just very guarded and very defensive. They're watching you from a distance, but they're still doubting it. Or there's been something that has happened in this relationship between you both, which is making them think twice, second guessing themselves about what they want to do in this connection. But deep down, they are manifesting this connection with you and they want to make things right. This person here wants to right a wrong here, but probably not by the end of November here, because I don't see any concrete action taken from their side. All right. So I hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.